Nice and steady. Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Man, this was not how I saw my day going.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dopeheads. Shit changes.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could've sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. Give Mama what she wants.
Look, enough with that shit, all right?
Ain't a crime to let my man know where it's at.
It's okay, really. I got this. Oh, man!
I thought you got this. Okay, boo. You can drop it right here. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now, where is that fool?